Rob here with the People Come First Construction Group, and I'm out here in Duval, Washington. This is a really neat project because we showed up and the railing was sort of falling apart, old cedar railing, the deck was falling apart, and then their backyard was really nothing. There wasn't anything back here but some live grass, some dead grass, and we teamed up with one of our partner landscaping companies. In fact, they brought us in on this project to rehab the deck, and they rehabbed the backyard.
As far as the deck goes, we're not changing much. We're just doing what's called a resurface. So we will upgrade some of the framing that needs replacing. We add our moisture barrier G tape on top of everything. But for the most part, we're just replacing the deck surface and adding some new railing.
There was some deck rot that we replaced a few joists on, doing beam wraps, some stone column bases. Today I'm finishing up the kitchen. We've got a couple of hood vents I'm going to put up. We got a steel frame coming around them that's also going to get stone, and getting ready for countertops.
Out here in the backyard, we've got a huge, beautiful fountain that self-fills, a lot of beautiful rockery. We've inserted a pre-fiberglass pool in the backyard, and it's heated currently to almost 95 degrees, all off of solar panels that are off in the woods there. All new pavers in the backyard, nice rock placement, a fire pit. Up here on the deck, we've got AZEK decking. It's the plastic decking material. We've got an aluminum railing, American Structures and Design, with cable that goes around the perimeter. Down here, we've got a hot tub. And one thing that's really cool about this hot tub is you can hang on the wall your towels, then they'll stay dry because we have an underdeck system here. It's called Undercover Systems. But you also have a section of the hot tub that is out, and you'll be able to see the stars. This customer wanted the front of the house to match and mimic the back of the house. So we wrapped all the posts and we did a post wrap on the bottom that matches the stone on the front of the house. We've got some furniture down here and a really cool, unique fire pit. When you're standing here, I mean, it's a cooler morning, it's 60 degrees. With all these Bromic heaters in this fire pit, it's actually hot. Really will be able to capture a third season out here in this space. We've got an underdeck ceiling system here that's keeping the space nice and dry. It's 100% waterproof, comes with a lifetime warranty, all galvanized steel. And then what we did was we had to put a hood and redirect all of the air for the pizza oven and the grill in this case. So you can grill out, you can cook your pizza, you got tons of storage, we've got trash and recycle. We even brought a sink out here. This is a very unique area. We did a Dekton surface here. So this is an outdoor surface. It's a synthetic material, so that way you don't have to worry about it scuffing. You don't have to worry about it fading. And you also don't have to worry about it etching, which is really something that we've learned over the years doesn't work for stone surfaces. It's a beautiful backyard. The fountain, the fire, the hot tub, this pool, the outdoor living space, the privacy, being able to use it year round. You have all these micro areas in the backyard that you're able to entertain.